Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for today's episode I'm going to show you how to fix this sideway laptop screen. Now this ASUS laptop is running Windows 10. It is the ASUS model number, I think it is the X551M version. So as you can see, it actually turned sideways or pro if you want to use that term. So I need to get it back into landscape mode. So first, ensure that the cursor is on a blank spot of the desktop. Click and right click, I should say. Then you need to go down to display. So I need to go down to display. You can use the arrows on the keyboard, enter. So now we need to go to display orientation right there. So I'm gonna use combination of keys. Now I'm using the tab button or the tab key to get it down there. So click on enter now. I want to get it up to landscape, so use the arrow, click on enter now, right, and keep changes. Right, so that's how you successfully fix the sideway laptop screen on an ASUS laptop. So your screen would have turned in portrait instead of landscape. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks again. Femitech is out of here.